Hello everyone, and welcome back to Wisdom Waves Wednesday, your safe space to explore conversations that matter for you, your family, your child, and your future, which we are raising together. So today we are going to dive into a topic that every parent think about it, but few actually talk about it. What are we supposed to do on puberty nutrition, general nutrition for kids? It is messy, it's emotional, it is beautiful, but it's crucial. So I'm here to guide you through this transformational phase or transformative phase that the right way. What are you supposed to give nutrition for a 6 year old versus an 8 year old versus a 10 versus a 12, as well as versus your teenager? So we have this amazing guest, Kavita Hera. Thank you so much, Kavita, for
Thank you.
coming to our show, and it is truly a pleasure.
Thank you, Swati, for calling me up. And it's amazing to talk about this topic. It's a need of the time, I
Absolutely.
feel. And I have been talking a lot about this topic as a nutrition, and especially on puberty as a nutrition.
Wow. So before we begin, I want to tell you about who Kavita is. So Kavita Hera is a founder and visionary behind Twara Superfood. Twara Superfood, I will tell about this a little later, but just remember this name, Twara Superfood, because that is going to help you really well. She's recognized as India's first brand to offer phase specific daily seed cycling mix geared towards female hormonal wellness and chakra nutrition. So, as a certified chakra nutritionist, fitness coach, hormonal coach, yoga and pranayama trainer, DTF instructor, she brings over a decade of expertise in holistic wellness and feminine nutrition. So, we are so overwhelmed to see what she's doing in terms of nutrition as well as what she's doing for our kids. So, from hormones to whole foods to body image to emotional cures, we are going to cover all these amazing topics with Kavita today. And Kavita, if I have your permission, I would like to dive into the questions.
Sure.
Lovely. So, Kavita, first tell me about what are the key nutritional seeds during puberty, and how do foods like seeds and whole foods play a role in the supportive health growth?
So basically, puberty is a time when your body is growing multifold. Even your reproductive health, even your brain, bones, everything is growing multifold and in a very fast pace. To
Yes.
balance this phase, you need to have a right nutrition, and nutrition always come from a whole food and seeds. Mother Earth has given us a seeds as a very easy way out to give this nutrition because we have good fats, proteins, and fiber and everything in a seeds. So seeds is one very easy way to incorporate the nutrition in any of the kids, whether male, females, and it should be done as a very regular format. And if you follow, there is a concept of seed cycling. So
Hmm.
when a child enter puberty, so puberty is a time when we are seeing lots of growth emotionally,
Yes.
physically, psychologically,
Mhm.
everywhere. एवरीवेयर एंड सब जगह वहाँ पे ग्रोथ है, लेकिन उसको ग्रोथ को बैलेंस करने के लिए न्यूट्रिशन सही होना बहुत जरूरी है. अब वो
Correct.
न्यूट्रिशन कैसे सही हो सकता है? विन डे टू डे लाइफ वी ऑलवेज नो. हाँ, आज की डेट में वी नो अबाउट प्रोटीन्स, वी नो अबाउट कार्ब्स, वी नो अबाउट फाइबर. हर मम्मी के पास है यार, प्रोटीन खिलाना है. बट वो प्रोटीन इज नॉट ओनली एनफ. The micronutrients is what your hormones need. Hormones are based on micronutrients and not on just protein, fiber, carbs. अब वो micronutrient आपको किससे मिल सकता है? That's where
Hmm.
seeds comes into picture, because a whole seed, imagine a seed grows into a whole plant. So वो seeds का
Yeah.
dense कितना है nutrient, अगर हम उसको सही format में ले लेते हैं, so you get the nutrition, all the vitamins and minerals like zinc, magnesium, vitamin E, vitamin zinc, and everything you get it from these seeds.
Correct.
Only
Hmm.
thing is a right format, and we can do it with seed cycling. So that's
Wow.
where seeds comes into picture as a nutrition.
Okay. So when you say in the right amount and in the right manner, what are you aiming at? Are you talking about the quantity of the seeds which we consume, or you're talking about this type or the way we consume the seeds? What are the two things?
See, having seed as a trail mix and a snack, you are having a right food, okay, but it's not a giving a right nutrition at a right time. So आप प्रोटीन
Oh.
लेते हो तो हम हमेशा बोलते हैं कि प्रोटीन खाना इस समय खा लेना चाहिए. कभी भी कैलोरी
Mm,
काउंट से जाने से अच्छा इट्स ऑलवेज बेटर टू have a thing in a righter time and a righter format. Even for fiber, protein, carbs, it matters a lot. So now if we
mm,
talk about seeds, there are 4 seeds that Mother Earth has given us, which is very nutritious and very important for a hormonal growth. First is flax seeds. They have phytoestrogen and lignans. They are the
wow.
they are a natural estrogen for your body, and when the
Mm,
puberty falls in, your body start making estrogen and progesterone. उनकी cycle
yes.
different होती है, कैसे बनती है, it's a different subject and we are not touching it here. Let me not
Mm,
dive into the science of this, but
yes.
आपकी जब प्यूबर्टी शुरू होती है तो योर बॉडी नीड्स एस्ट्रोजन इन अ फीमेल्स. सो फीमेल्स को एस्ट्रोजन
Mm,
को बैलेंस करने का नेचुरल वे इज फ्लेक्सीड्स. बट फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट फ्लेक्सीड and कोई भी seeds, you can't have it as a whole and you will get a good digestion from it. Okay, so flex
mm,
seeds, every seeds you have to roast it and then powder it to get it in a body absorption in a body. So
correct.
flaxseed is first seed, second is pumpkin seeds for your
Yes.
magnesium, for your zinc, that is the
Mm,
second seeds. And the third seed comes sesame seeds, calcium, and
mm,
then the fourth seed is sunflower seeds for
yes.
vitamin E and everything. So these
Mm,
all 4 seeds mixed in a for proper format. I will just tell you the format. If you have all these 4 seeds, आप एक साथ खा लोगे तो वो न्यूट्रिशन नहीं मिलेगा जो
mm,
प्यूबर्टी पे चाहिए. When puberty enters, estrogen, progesterone, and hormones balancing comes into picture. So आपको
mm,
करना ये है कि flax seeds and pumpkin seeds first एक 14 days खाने. Then next 14 days आपको sesame seeds and sunflower seeds खाने. So they will
wow.
balance your hormones in a right way. Now
Mm,
the first thing comes if we talk about puberty. Puberty entering every मदर नाउ डेज नो कि प्यूबर्टी सिम्टम्स दिखने शुरू हो जाएंगे, हेयर ग्रोथ है एंड बॉडी में
mm,
ग्रोथ दिखेगी एंड मूड स्विंग्स आना शुरू हो जाएंगे. सो एट
mm,
दिस टाइम आई वुड से have all the seeds mixed in a format like चार थोड़े दिन आप 2 seeds खाओ, थोड़े दिन 2 seeds खाओ, give a nutrition because still your body
mm,
daughter and hasn't entered menarche. So menarche नहीं
mm,
हुआ है, period start नहीं हुआ है, तो give the
mm,
nutrition in a format. You can give 14 days and just continue
mm.
rotating this up. But
Wow.
once you enter puberty, once your body starts having a first periods, you
Mm,
have to follow seed cycling. Now what
okay.
is seed cycling? Seed cycling is having flax seeds and pumpkin seeds for first 14 days, then next
Got it.
14 days में uh, sesame seeds and sunflower seeds. So
Oh,
this way
okay.
your cycle. Now the में यहाँ पे एक क्वेश्चन आ जाता है, यार डॉटर अभी साइकिल रेगुलर नहीं है, कैसे करें, क्या करें? जस्ट कीप
Mm,
रिपीटिंग दिस 14 day cycle. The moment your daughter get a period, start with first thing flax seeds and pumpkin seeds,
mm,
and the second
mm.
time start with sesame seeds and sunflower seeds. And
Wow.
ऐसे नहीं खाना है, उनको रोस्ट करके. And if
Mm,
you are at home, first thing, if you can soak it, सोक करके उसको हल्का रोस्ट करके पाउडर बना के यू कैन कीप इट इन द फ्रिज. दिस वे
got
यू
it.
कैन जस्ट हैव 1 tablespoon of that, not more. Remember, more is not good. Right nutrition at right time at right quantity is good. So
Mm,
more होने से ऐसा नहीं है कि यार क्या हो जाएगा, बट
mm.
मोर होना इज नॉट नीडेड एट ऑल. नहीं तो इन
हाँ,
जनरल फीमेल से एंड द मदर से अपने माइंड में ना ये बहुत बड़ा मिथ है कि सीड्स गरम करेंगे, तिल तो गरम कर जाएगा, ये
हाँ,
करेगा. So
हाँ.
just
See,
have 1 tablespoon, and if
mm,
you can mix it in any form like curd or if we say
milk.
curd, porridge, milk
Mm,
is one thing I would say no in current scenario. वो जमाने गए जब अपने यहाँ पे गाय
दूध
होती थी
अच्छी है.
और गाय को
हाँ. हाँ.
बच्चे को दूध पिला के जो बचा हुआ दूध होता था वो हमें मिलता था.
Mm,
So please, as a mother, my sincere advice to every mom out there is कि
mm,
milk, don't force your child to have milk as a puberty time. It's not
mm.
at all doing good to your body.
Okay.
ज्यादा हार्मोन इंडेक्स वहीं से आ रहे हैं सबसे ज्यादा.
Mm,
After plastics, milk and pesticide and all is giving all the hormones that our daughters and the girls nowadays are going through. और
wow.
उसकी वजह से प्यूबर्टी इश्यूज, प्यूबर्टी अर्ली प्यूबर्टीज, ये सब इश्यूज
Mm,
आ गए. सो मिल्क नहीं, उसके अलावा आप किसी में भी दीजिए, सैलेड पे डाल दीजिए, स्मूथीज में दे दीजिए, बट नॉट इन मिल्क. एंड इफ यू थिंक मिल्क इज नीडेड, जस्ट गो फॉर एनी नॉन डेयरी मिल्क.
Hmm.
एलमंड मिल्क बनाना बहुत ईजी है, घर में
Hmm.
10 मिनट भी नहीं लगते उसे बनाने में. गो
Hmm.
फॉर ऑल दोज वे ऑफ दैट.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Awesome. Awesome. So tell me one thing. I mean, I had a question as soon as I posted the story. There were two, three mothers who were saying you're doing it on puberty. Why not for little children? Can children who are between the age of 5 to 10 maybe, can they also consume seeds? Is that okay with them?
Yeah, definitely. It's no harm in
That's
having. It's a whole food. It's completely densely in nutrition. Only
mm,
the thing is, just mix all the four seeds, make a powder form to get the proper nutrition. Don't give
got
ki bas aise seeds खा लो, and
it.
don't overdo too much on that. Flex
Mm,
seeds का जितना benefit है, if you don't powder it out, even for all the other seeds, just have it. A very easy way, what I follow in my day-to-day life is I just blend my seeds and keep it in my fridge, and it's
mm.
used in place of oils in my cooking.
Wow, that's
Okay,
a very
so
smart
all
thing.
sesame seeds and all nowadays peanut butter. Make food with peanut butter rather than oil in your kitchen. It will give the nutrition, fiber, good proteins to your
Got
dog,
it.
to your family, and
Mm, mm.
rather than peanut oil आप use कर रहे हो. So that's the very easier way to do.
So in peanut oil, like which oil do you recommend for that matter? Like when you said
Frankly,
sesame
I
oil.
would say no to any oil. I would
Okay.
say no to any oil. I believe in a whole food plant based lifestyle. I'm also vegan, so and I have seen lot of transformation, leaving oils and leaving all the processed oil. I mean cold press oil. So अगर if आपको ये
Okay.
खाना ही है, you need
Mm,
to have a cold press oil. A good
okay.
cold press oil is good. You can have
Mm,
groundnut, you can have sesame. Keep rotating your oils if you are having
okay.
oils in your dinner.
Mm,
Otherwise, switch over to nut butters. They are more nutritious, more fiber dense, more protein dense, and not just the nut butter has the whole ingredients of the seeds. जो भी seeds से जो भी
ah,
nuts से बन रहा है उनका सब कुछ उस बटर में है. बट आप
got
ऑयल
it.
रहते तो वो सारा तो छन जाता है ना. So oil is just the
Ah,
upper layer of it. So use butters in that instead.
hmm, hmm, hmm. Got it, got it. So tell me one very important thing. So we segregated that, yes, children can also have it, as well as girls who are going through puberty also they can have it. So if you don't mind me asking, we only talk about girls. Why? What about, like you mentioned about when we had a conversation? Remember you said, give rebuff tomatoes. That can be very good. So can you just suggest certain things which will be great for boys also, because boys also go through puberty, maybe not
Yeah.
the same thing, but yes, we all want to know about how, because I have both kids, so I would always be interested. Okay, this is happening for my daughter, but what about my boy, because I have to look for that as well.
Yeah.
So I would
So
want you to answer certain questions based on that as well. I mean,
sure.
maybe myth buster or whatever you want, but I want to know that what is something which you can give to boys as well. I mean,
So seeds are definitely yes for boys. You need not go for the seed cycling because female has a cyclic pattern, male has a 1 day pattern. So you can mix all the seeds. Besides seeds, you should add beetroot. You should add tomatoes in the diet. Tomatoes are
yeah.
very good for testosterone in your body, in the male's body. So
Hmm.
tomatoes should be added. Beetroot should be added. One good food for every male and female both is selenium. And to get that
Wow.
selenium, Brazil nut is one good thing. So just powder the Brazil nut with the seed mix that you are making and
Hmm.
add that in the kids' daily diet. So that way they will have a nutrition in a regular way, and that will help them also in the cycle.
Wow.
Even one more thing that you can add as a natural thing, we also
Hmm.
had it in our twara also, as we say it's a superfood.
Hmm.
So moringa is one good thing. So
Yes.
moringa as a powder form, moringa in a dhaniya ki jagah moringa le lo. That's one thing I tell everybody. That is
Got
the
it.
most easiest way to add moringa in day to day life. धनिए
Yeah.
की जगह रिप्लेस कर दो. धनिए के साथ उसको मोरिंगा को चॉप करके यू एड इट इन योर करीज, दाल्स एंड एवरीथिंग. So that is one very easy way to add.
Got it.
Calcium, opt for chia seeds, opt for sesame seeds that I mentioned. That
Hmm.
will. Hemp seed is a complete protein. Go for hemp seeds. So these are the very small thing but a very nutrition dense thing जो हम छोड़
Hmm.
देते हैं या हम स्नैक में आ गया या हम. मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है यहाँ पे. आप यूजुअली बच्चों को बोल देते हो कि यार नहीं इतना हो गया मत खाओ. See,
हाँ.
your as a kid, as a elder, I would say your body is not that tuned and आप टेस्ट पे चले जाते हो ज्यादा. बट बच्चा, कोई भी बच्चा अपने पेट भरने से ज्यादा नहीं खाएगा. एंड
Correct.
इफ योर किड इज डिमांडिंग समथिंग गुड, Rather
Yeah.
than stopping that, it's better to stop the junk food that is entering their body. It's better to
Correct.
stop anything else and start building, like you mentioned, 6 years, 8 years. Mothers
Hmm.
out there, मेरा एक रिक्वेस्ट है, गो फॉर अ हेल्थियर अल्टरनेटिव. आप पहले से उनको व्हीट पिज्जा खिलाना शुरू कर दो क्योंकि उनको मैदा का पिज्जा नहीं भाएगा. क्यों
हाँ, हाँ.
खिलाना है? देयर आर ऑप्शन. हमारे टाइम में नहीं था ऐसा, बट आज की डेट में आप बाहर जा रहे हो तो ऑप्ट फॉर places that has wheat as an option, opt for places
Hmm.
that has the other nutrient. Like recently I went to one restaurant that was serving quinoa as a base for the pizza.
Correct.
What
हाँ.
better than that? खिलाओ
हाँ.
बच्चों को आराम से.
हाँ. सही बात है. सही बात है. That's true. It's very true. So let's talk about something which is very related to puberty, which is mood swings. Mood swings, like it's crazy common. Like how much is this is hormonal and how much is lifestyle related? Like what can the parents do to help children cope emotionally? Because that is something which we don't talk much about, but I think that emotional or mental well-being, that is very important because we need to know what the child is going through so that the child can flourish beautifully.
Swati, let me just go back here. So, when we talk about mood swings and mental nourishment and all, go back to 1 decade, matlab 2 decades back. Were these words there in the
Ha,
market? था
right.
words.
Ha.
It is come up ना.
Not
तो
talking.
क्यों आया? हाँ, क्यों
Ha.
आया है? तो two things I will point out here. First
Yeah.
is nutrition
Hmm.
and lots of junk food in your diet. The
Got it.
moment we add too much junk food, we all have known, आपने भी बहुत सारे the
Hmm.
podcast people have told कि junk food में कितना preservatives होता है, how much they impact the mood, how much they ask you to crave more. एक चिप्स के पैकेट
Yeah.
से नहीं होता. आप घर की चिप्स खिलाओगे. Remember वो आलू वाली चिप्स घर पे तलती थी,
Ah,
नमक लाल मिर्ची डली हुई.
and
So
every Sunday, it was our
हाँ,
Sunday
तो
breakfast.
आप कितना
Puri
खा.
and aloo
हाँ,
chips.
बट आप खाते थे उसका, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं होता था कि मेरे को एक और पैकेट चाहिए उसके बाद.
Ha.
It
Ha.
satisfied your cravings, it satisfied your thing because it was whole food and it was just made at your home and it was
Right.
not a daily habit. आप चिप्स खिलाओ, बच्चा 2 दिन बाद वापस पैकेट मांगेगा या हो सकता है उसी समय वापस मांगे.
Correct.
So
Correct.
that's one thing that is impacting, and problem is the junk food in your diet.
Hmm.
Second thing, I would say 90% all the mood swings, all the mental issues are hormones related.
Okay.
Okay. And hormones ko balance karne se, as we talked, it's a right nutrition needed. So the circle comes in the right nutrition. Agar hum nutrition sahi karenge, your hormones will be balanced and you won't have mood swings so much. Rather,
Wow.
I would point out, we have many females connected, whether mothers connected, those
Hmm.
like उनका एक स्टेटमेंट था कि मेरे बच्चे को पीरियड से पहले उसको टच करना वाज लाइक वॉकिंग ऑन फायर.
Hmm.
इमेजिन द मदर सेइंग कि मेरे को उस बच्चे को टच करने में ऐसा लगता था कि मैं फायर पे चल रही हूँ, कौन सा बम ब्लास्ट होएगा नहीं पता. So, and within the span of right nutrition as a seed cycling that I was talking about, 3 months, and she's saying, yeah, I'm very happy with my child.
Hmm.
She's not doing any tantrums and all.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
nothing else changed in her life. I haven't asked her to
Correct.
go anything. Obviously, lifestyle patterns matter a lot, but
Absolutely.
right nutrition is the key when the child is growing. Even
Correct.
when we are, I would say perimenopause and
Hmm.
puberty is the
Yeah.
same stage. वहाँ पे जो हैवॉक आपकी बॉडी के अंदर हो रहा है, वो आप वो एक जैसा होता है. एक में एस्ट्रोजन प्रोजेस्टेरॉन बिल्ड हो रहे हैं, एक में डिक्लाइन हो रहे हैं. सो बॉडी इज फाइटिंग अ लॉट. उसको
Yeah.
राइट न्यूट्रिशन दोनों टाइम देना इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. So I completely agree with you, Kavita, because even we are like, at least in my household, I'm very particular about what my children are having. We've stopped getting outside ka paneer. हम रोज पनीर फाड़ते हैं, उसका पानी बचता है, हम आटे में लगाते हैं. So why we are doing that is because I mean, I as a mom, my husband as a father, we realize that whatever is coming from outside and is processed in some way, there is some problem for sure. There's something. कभी detergent दिखता है पनीर में, कभी कुछ है, सोडा से फाड़ा है, ये whatever they have done. But it is not natural. But if it is done at home, you feel so proud. अगर बच्चा 2 कटोरी और एक्स्ट्रा भी खा ले तो you don't have any problem. तू खा ले बेटा, 1 किलो पनीर ही खा ले तू, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. मतलब I mean,
या
not that.
योर बॉडी, किड्स विल हैव दैट मच. उनको खाना है,
Absolutely.
फोर्स भी करोगे तो नहीं खाओगे. आई रिमेंबर माय हस्बैंड से टू माय फॉर माय डॉटर कि खिलाओ उसको. शी इज वेरी पेटिटाइट, शी इज वेरी स्किनी, बट ऑलवेज आई विजिटेड डॉक्टर. सब बोलते हेल्दी तो है, फिट तो है,
हाँ
एनेमिक नहीं है, व्हाई आर यू वरीड अबाउट?
हाँ
दैट वाज
करेक्ट।
द आंसर एवरी टाइम. सो
हाँ हाँ
उनकी एपिटाइट जितनी है बॉडी को चाहिए, बॉडी को बहुत नहीं चाहिए, बट अगर
राइट।
राइट फॉर्मेट में, राइट टाइम पे, राइट वे में बच्चा खा रहा है और न्यूट्रिशन ले रहा है, योर बॉडी डजंट, they won't have more. And आप घर पे दे रहे हो तो nothing better than that. Only
हाँ
thing is add such sneak in things for your kids nutrition that will always help in a longer run for you. And
राइट।
Swati, I would just congratulate you. You were the only mother who told me कि, और only female who told me कि मेरी puberty के time पे मेरी mother ने ऐसा ध्यान रखा था. And I, in my journey of this 6 months and even 10 years, 6 months to establish Swara and 10 years as a fitness, I couldn't find mothers who just say कि puberty के time पे हम बच्चे को right nutrition देते थे. I
हाँ
don't know वो बीच में कोई एक layer मिस हुई है जहाँ पे हमारी मम्मियों ने हमें उस puberty nutrition की guidance नहीं दी है, या
हाँ
उनकी मम्मी से आई है तो वो एक कहीं से कुछ layer गायब हो गई है.
हाँ
So
हाँ।
the way you mentioned it, I was like कोई तो है जो मेरे को मिला है.
So my mama was she was a ground woman, I used to say, because हमारे घर पे ही भैंस थी, तो वो हम भैंसों के साथ ही बड़े हुए हैं. मेरे ननिहाल में भैंस थी, तो वहां पर ही बगीचा था, तो हमने बाहर का कभी कुछ खाया ही नहीं. So
That's
tomatoes were grown in our garden.
that's the
Potato
bliss.
was grown in our garden. So everything we had was so natural. तो हमें ना उतना आदत ही नहीं था, मतलब as a human being I never felt कि oh my god. और सब लोग बोलते थे तेरे ना घर से अलग सी खुशबू आती है, because हमारे घर में दूध से लेके खाना से लेके everything was homemade. हमने घी कभी खरीदा ही नहीं. तो मतलब अब मैं नहीं खरीदती तो मेरे फ्रेंड्स मजाक उड़ाते हैं कि तेरे घर में हमेशा किलो किलो घी कैसे होता है. मैंने बोला क्योंकि मैं एक तो प्रॉपर भैंस वाला दूध लेती हूँ, क्योंकि मेरे को, मैंने खुद वही पिया है, तो आई गिव इट टू द सेम थिंग टू माय चिल्ड्रन. ऑब्वियसली फॉर मी आई कांट हैव दैट, बट आई हैव अ हैबिट ऑफ डूइंग दैट. अब बोलते हैं सब कि हाँ नहीं, दूध दूध नहीं पीना चाहिए. सो वी जस्ट यूज इट फॉर मेकिंग ईदर पनीर, और वी यूज इट फॉर, ऑब्वियसली बोथ माय किड्स हैव one glass. That is something, it is a daily ritual. We are trying to get into lesser, but that is not going. So I will have to work on
Don't worry. Just make sure the source is very
that.
good. The source आप जहाँ से ले रहे हो वहाँ से injected नहीं
हाँ
हो. Just try for that you can get. That's why I always say please as a mother, आपकी बच्चों का ritual है तो आप उसे हटा नहीं सकते.
हाँ
But if we start building that way, that is not needed. Uh, the Sharon doctor, Dr. Nandita Das, tells this, and I really admire her journey and all. So she always say कि we as a mammal only look for the other mammals drink.
हाँ.
कोई भी मैमल अपने मैमल का ही माँ का ही दूध पीता है,
Yes.
बट वी एज अ मैमल, वी आर ऑल्सो मैमल. हमारा बच्चा भी हमारा दूध लेता है, लेकिन उसके बाद उसकी ऐसी रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है. एंड नाउ द स्टडीज ऑल्सो से 5 के बाद तो मिल्क की रिक्वायरमेंट ही नहीं है बॉडी को. दैट इज नॉट गोइंग गुड टू यू. सो बट वी कांट एकदम से हटा सकते
Absolutely,
हैं ये
and
चीज.
gradually we are lowering the consumption for sure. But yes, we are taking milk more for the milk products like maybe paneer or curd, because we have to do that. Then that उससे पनीर से जो निकला वो पूरा वे प्रोटीन जो निकला वो हम वैसे यूज करें, तो मतलब obviously we are using in different forms, but not in direct milk consumption. That is something.
So that's no issue and you can use it. But only thing, if a mother sees her daughter into early puberty, early symptoms of puberty, like 6-7 years, आपको puberty symptoms और puberty pointers दिखने लग गए daughter में, please stop
Yeah.
it. That is the red alert, I would say. Stop using milk completely. No dairy. Don't force the child to have curd also, milk also. Don't put it her in mouth. थोड़ा जा रहा है, that is a different thing. आज की डेट में ऐसे ही बहुत चीजें चली जाती है जिसको अवॉइड नहीं कर सकते. But to give it a lighter growth here, you should avoid it. Second thing I want to point it out here is every parent should check your kids vitamin D. Vitamin D is a precursor for all the hormones in our body. It's not just a vitamin, but it's a precursor. और आज की डेट में you don't get vitamin as a बाहर से मिल गया, सन से मिल गया, नहीं आता है. सो जस्ट लीव दैट कॉन्सेप्ट की सन से. एंड वेरी बहुत सारी मदर्स ये मेरे को बोलती है विटामिन डी तो सब में ही कम होता है, इट्स अ नेचुरल थिंग. नो, इट्स नॉट नेचुरल, इट एंड शुडंट बी एक्सेप्टेड. It leads to lots and lots of health issues. And as a growing kid, your body needs vitamin D. Don't think कि मेरे को बहुत लोग आके ये बोलते हैं कि हमें कुछ खाना बता दो जिससे विटामिन डी मिल जाए. सॉरी, नहीं मिल सकता. Get it checked. supplement it with your doctor's
Got
advice,
it.
and make it a cycle of having 6 monthly tests for your kids
Wow.
also and yourself also. And even if your puberty symptoms have started, please get it checked. It early symptoms है, आपका बच्चा सब हेल्दी होगा, बट विटामिन डी लो होते ही सिम्टम्स आने शुरू हो जाएंगे जो आप नहीं इग्नोर कर पाओगे, और उसके बाद फिर यू विल गेट इनटू दैट सर्कल एंड यू वोंट
Hmm.
रियलाइज. Even Swati, here I would like to give you a case study.
Hmm.
Like there are many cases जो blood test कराते हैं और उनको thyroid निकल जाता है. It happens in my studios now and then,
Hmm.
and immediately they get scared, और ये thyroid हो गया है. Get They go to the doctor and get the thyroid medication supplied and all. One thing, जब आपको thyroid होगा तो आपका vitamin D हमेशा low
Hmm.
होगा. So the way out is आप विटामिन डी को बूस्ट करिए, राइट न्यूट्रिशन
Yeah.
बॉडी को दीजिए, थायराइड अपने आप चला जाएगा. आई हैव सीन माय students, my girls, curing thyroid from 22 number to normal just with these lifestyle
Wow.
changes. So there are 5 lifestyle changes I always talk
Okay.
about. And don't even just rush out for a thyroid medication. Giving a external
That I
medication to the
agree.
body,
Yes.
दिस इज लाइक यूजुअली आज की डेट में 15-16 साल की लड़कियों को दिखना शुरू हो
Hmm.
जाता है, अरे थायराइड है. तो थायराइड के लिए क्या करें, पीसीओडी है तो डॉक्टर के पास चले जाएं, दे विल गो फॉर 21 days
हाँ.
मेडिकेशन. प्लीज look for the lifestyle thing. Body needs that
Hmm.
lifestyle ingredients. वो जो मिसिंग है उसकी वजह से बॉडी ने ये दिखाया है.
Correct.
इट्स नॉट आपको बचपन में है, दैट इज जेनेटिक.
Hmm. Hmm.
बचपन से निकल गया, दैट इज जेनेटिक, बट it's not there.
Yeah.
It's just because, and genetic is also a way to blame the things. यार मेरी मम्मी को है, मेरे को
हाँ
हो
हाँ
गया.
हाँ.
No,
That we have
please.
heard so many times.
So you can get rid, and a sincere request to every mother, everyone listening out, please, at any time of your life you find out कि मेरे को thyroid
Hmm.
है, first and foremost support it with like lifestyle
Got
thing,
it.
right nutrition, right workout, less stress, good sleep, and vitamin D, B12 as your
Got
nutrition. These 5 things अगर आपने बैलेंस करके 3 महीने में अगर आपका थायराइड नहीं सही हुआ, then go for the
it. Hmm.
doctor. That is my one thing I always say to
Yeah.
everyone, please don't jump to any external medicine in one go. So उसकी वजह से फिर आपकी बॉडी खुद मैन्युफैक्चर करना बंद कर
Correct.
देती है. So that don't do that to your body.
Hmm.
Don't go do that for your kids also. Don't panic out.
Hmm.
First look into the nutrition हम कहाँ कम ले रहे हैं,
Correct.
then
Hmm.
opt for the thing.
Wow. So there are 4 things which you spoke about, and I so much liked it. Ki, ठीक है, one is nutrition, then it is also sleep, then it is also your physical fitness or physical well-being. That is also very important. So these 3-4 things are like something which we cannot ignore, because sleep is very important, and everything is interlinked. Sleep, your physical fitness, because you cannot be couch potato. I've heard children having diabetes. Like I had last session I had with a pediatrician. He said an 8-year boy has diabetes. I mean, that is so heartbreaking. That is so heartbreaking.
Yeah.
You don't want such young babies to have it. That's only because the child does not go out and play. That's only because of the kind of junk food the child is consuming. So that is again another problem. Then छोटे babies को depression. I don't know where does this word depression come from. I am depressed, don't come to
Nutrition.
me.
हमारी हमारी एज में डिप्रेशन वर्ड भी नहीं पता था
So now
हमें.
children have started using it, and they actually feel lonely because they have so much body shaming issue. मेरे friend ने ये बोल दिया. My daughter's very close friend, she started doing makeup. She started dressing up in a different manner altogether. Why? Because I want to look hot. What is the meaning of hot? 13 साल के हो तुम अभी हॉट लगोगे. मतलब what I'm trying to say is children are so much into social media, public image, public figure, peer pressure कि हम लोग ना, that we are not even thinking about the right things. Our brain is so much occupied with rots. That's why we call it brain rot. That's why we call it the brain is just not working. We are just going with the flow.
I am sure as a parenting coach and you might be having such case studies now, now and then
Absolutely.
about body image and all.
Hmm.
And I would like to know what is your one advice you give to your
So simple.
parents
So,
coming to
so,
you
so
on this.
like I am very, very particular about telling parents that talk to your children. Parents hide so many topics. They don't want to talk about menstruation. They don't want to talk about bedwetting. They don't want to talk about sex. They don't want to talk about any, like I'm trying to say, is any sensitive topic. If you're not ready to talk with your child, if not you, then who? Then don't say that why is he googling, why is he watching porn, why is he, because you only do not explain, the child will anyways watch. Now you have to decide whether you want to give the right information or you want to take the information from the world and get suppressed about your own emotions.
Definitely, it's so much needed to talk now. Like I remember the olden time frames and everything. Like menstruation की बात सामने वो periods हैं तो बोल भी नहीं
हाँ.
सकते थे. Even at my this age, even my studio girls periods होंगे तो वो मेरे को personal message करेंगे कि we have period. I say सबको होता है. What's there to
Hide or stop.
worry about? Talk about. हाँ. So it's there have been we tuned that way कि यार periods के बाद public नहीं कर सकते हैं, and periods के लिए कुछ discuss नहीं कर सकते. Pads, sanitary napkins, we can't talk about normal. मतलब this is so much
Correct,
taboo in
correct.
our society that need to be removed
Absolutely,
out.
absolutely. And the worst part is when I see from the medical bhaiya, black paper में wrap करके newspaper में wrap. I mean, मतलब मुझे इतनी हंसी आती है अब सोचती हूँ तो, बट बिकॉज वी हैव सीन दैट इन चाइल्डहुड, आई एम श्योर यू वुड हैव सीन दैट. तो मुझे याद था मैं
Definitely.
मेडिकल शॉप से लेने गई हूँ, भैया उसको न्यूज़पेपर में रैप कर रहे हैं, ब्लैक पॉली बैग में डाल रहे हैं. पूरी दुनिया को पता है तुम क्या ब्लैक पॉली बैग में लेके गए, बिकॉज वो एक ही चीज आती थी ब्लैक पॉली बैग में. So the point is, we have been tuned, our brain has been tuned so much, but it's important to break that barrier. But you, Kavita, you're right. There's somewhere we broke that chain of nutrition. Somewhere we broke the chain of seeds. Somewhere we forgot it. I remember very, very explicitly, my nani used to say one thing, कि लाडो हमने तो लड्डू भी खाए हैं, रागी के लड्डू खाए हैं, because नानी used to make it. तो रागी लड्डू with seeds लड्डू, तिल के लड्डू, कितने, मतलब पूरी ठंड में हम वही वही खाते थे, और नानी अपने हाथ से बनाती थी, बिकॉज वी न्यू माय दादी यूज्ड टू मेक इट एंड शी वाज सो गुड एट इट. गुड़ के लड्डू और सारी कितने सारे क्या क्या डालती थी कुछ नहीं पता, मतलब कम से कम 20.
I also remember my parents saying like हम सर्दी में उठते थे, we belong to राजस्थान, तो सर्दी में रजाई में हमें गुड़ के लड्डू आके दिए जाते थे. So that all has a nutrition value when it was given in a right way, right time. But here one thing I would like to say, उस समय जब दिए जाते थे वो क्वांटिटी सही दी जाती थी. सुबह उठ के आपको गुड़ के लड्डू दिए गए क्योंकि सर्दी से बचना है इसलिए. आपके घर में जॉइंट फैमिलीज होती थी तो आपको लिमिटेड अमाउंट में वो आता था. नाउ डेज स्वीट आ रही है, अच्छा कल खाना है, अच्छा बेटा आ गया, कल परसों खाना है. हाँ, so the nutrition aspect has been missed out. One thing here I would like to point out in Indian families specifically, nowadays parents might have think about, but जो हमारा इंडियन फूड है, जो पहले था कि हमें दाल के साथ चावल लेना है या कुछ है, नाउडेज द जल्दी के चक्कर में और न्यूट्रिशन को मिस करने के चक्कर में वी एट टाइम मिस ऑन द प्रोटीन्स पार्ट इन द डाइट. पहले आप अगर खाते थे तो आप पोहा में पीनट्स डाल के खा लेते थे, इट वाज अ टाइम फॉर एवरीथिंग. बट नाउ इट्स मिस्ड आउट. खाना है, अच्छा पोहा खाओ, नमकीन डाल के खा लो. अरे why you are not looking to the nutrition aspect and why you are not giving that to the child? Nowadays talk has been started to build up hygiene, but talk is not going in a format to build on the nutrition for your child. And we definitely are missing on the good fruits as a fiber part. जितना न्यूट्रिशन, जितना डेंसली न्यूट्रिशन फाइबर ग्रीन लीफी वेजिटेबल्स हैं एंड फ्रूट्स हैं, we just skip it. मेरा बच्चा नहीं खाता is a very common statement. And आपने कब दिया is not my statement. आप you have to build the way that your child intakes. आप मिल्क के लिए फोर्स करोगे ना तो आप उसके लिए भी फोर्स करो. I'm saying, मैं उनको यही बोलती हूँ, आप मिल्क तो पिला देते हो ना जबरदस्ती, तो इसके लिए कोई वे आउट निकालो.
Absolutely. And there are ways, मतलब हमें जो करवाना होता है हम उसका ways निकालते हैं ना. As simple as that. I तो always say that. I said अगर मेरा 8 साल का बच्चा बोलेगा मेरे को ड्राइव करना है, नहीं मैं ड्राइव करूंगा ही करूंगा, आप करने दोगे? नहीं करने दोगे, इम्पॉसिबल है. Why? Because you know that's not safe. Similarly, जो चीज आपको पता है इसके बॉडी के लिए so much important है, तो you have to force, or probably you have to tweet, you have to make tricks, whatever.
Rather, I say every time, like with puberty
Hmm.
hygiene, puberty nutrition should go
Yes.
combined. If a puberty hygiene brands like Whisper or any brands that are going to the schools and talking about hygiene, if they start talking about the
Yes.
nutrition
Yes.
side by side, we will start seeing the lesser cases of all the hormonal disbalance that is coming
Hmm.
up in female. Even if you note up down, like जितने भी crimes as a females
Hmm.
में हुए हैं या childhood में बच्चा वहां तक mindset
Hmm.
चला जाता है, it's only during your puberty hormonal disbalance in
Very
your
true.
body. If you go for the
Settle
stats in
होता है
your
ना.
stats for the females thing, is
Yeah,
it
yeah, yeah, yeah.
audible? Yeah. Okay. So if you look into the hormonal issue, like cases of any crimes in the
Yes.
by females, and if you go to the stats and studies, you will look into कि like हमारा luteal phase when we are higher on the mood
Hmm.
swings, that happens
Right.
more. And it's just because we are not giving a right nutrition to settle down
Hmm.
the
Hmm.
hormones, to nourish your hormones. Anxiety इसीलिए
Correct.
बढ़ती है, mood swings इसलिए बढ़ते
Hmm.
हैं, मेंटल ब्रेकडाउन इसीलिए हो
Hmm.
रहे हैं. इफ आई टॉक अबाउट एनीथिंग, लाइक इफ यू नोट एनी केस स्टडी, एंड आपके साथ भी या बहुत फीमेल्स के साथ होता है, पीरियड से पहले गुस्सा
हाँ.
तो आता ही है, तब आपके हस्बैंड को पता चल जाता है कि पीरियड्स आने वाले हैं.
हाँ.
But I can write it down and say, if you are giving a right nutrition to
हाँ.
your body at every stage of the life, any stage of a female
Hmm.
life, अगर न्यूट्रिशन सही जा रहा है तो वो गुस्सा
Right.
नहीं आएगा.
Right. Right. So I agree.
We have seen lots of studies
I
coming up जो मेरे को बोलते हैं अरे हमें तो पता ही नहीं चला
हाँ.
पीरियड्स आ
हाँ.
कब गए. So, और आज की डेट में पीरियड्स आर समथिंग लाइक पीरियड्स आ गए तो पेन किलर खाना इज नॉर्मल.
ट्रॉमा बच्चों को ट्रॉमा हो जाता है. Ashvika's, I mean, sorry, my daughter's classmate. I mean, there are 5 girls who do not even ever come on their period dates. Their dates are so miserable. And Ashvika बोलती है मम्मा पता नहीं इन लोगों को क्या हो, because obviously she never feels it, so she doesn't know what a woman goes through, because
Right.
by God's grace she's never felt that. For her it is like she'll go to basketball also, she'll play also, she would not even realize मम्मी पता ही नहीं चला. I said Ashvika, you're not a chota baby that पता ही नहीं चला, because obviously I
That's the bliss, and that's touchwood, that's the real life. Periods आना should be as simple as going to the
हाँ.
toilets, going for
हाँ.
the pee. It should, that is what our female body is
Hmm.
meant to be. Our female body is meant to have periods, and it should be that normal. Okay, हल्का सा discomfort आता है कि
हाँ.
आए हैं,
हाँ.
that's it. But उससे ज़्यादा, and Swati, you won't believe, when I was doing a research, when I was on a road and talking to people, आपको periods है, आपके periods normal है, like I was literally shocked. A medical girl preparing for medical college, and I talked with her on the road, and I asked her, "How are your periods?" They are completely normal. This was the first reply. Then I asked, "Do you have cramps and pains during your period?" हाँ वो तो normal है, and मैं Meftal spas खा लेती हूँ. Now remember that Meftal spas is such a normal feeling, and that's what nowadays girls at a teenage of 18, 16 to 19 are. Pains are normal, cramps are normal, and Meftal spas is the way out. That's not the answer. Pains are not normal, cramps are not normals, hormones, cravings are not normals. These all things comes just because you are not giving right nutrition to it.
I think craving is something which we have created the name. Because I don't remember my mother talked about craving. मम्मी ना एक झापड़ पड़ेगा सारा craving अभी निकल जाएगा. कुछ नहीं chocolate वॉकलेट खाना, चुपचाप जाके काम करो. मतलब I am talking about the way my mom used to say, because she knew that I am hearing the word from my friends, because probably they are saying it, and she knew that that's stupidity you're speaking. But now parents are getting this big dairy milk. अच्छा उसका आने वाला है ना, इसलिए मैं लेके आई हूँ. तो मुझे भी हंसी आ रही थी. मतलब what are you doing? What are you doing? You are not.
And one thing I would point here, I would like to emphasize here, like we have can आने वाला है and दे रहे हैं. So at that time your body need whole carbs. Okay, when your body is preparing, when a female body is preparing for menstrual, for
Yeah.
the periods, your body is working harder. So आपकी body को carbs, थोड़े whole carbs चाहिए, and right protein चाहिए, because it's preparing for the cycle. It's preparing for shedding the linings at the uterus. So it's working inside. So अब उसको right nutrition कैसे दे सकते हो? Simply increase the carbs amount. Nowadays, females are into a weight loss journey and calculating carbs, calculating calories and doing that. And उसके बाद एकदम से breakdown होता है. एकदम से 3-4 महीने करेंगी, उसके बाद 5वां महीना is a immediate breakdown because they don't look into the nutrition
Hmm.
aspect of the food. They miss on the right
Yeah.
nutrition. Again, it's the format I would go back is the right
Hmm.
nutrition that your
Absolutely,
body.
absolutely,
So
absolutely.
that's what is needed. And definitely, if you are on a right nutrition, आपको like your daughter might not have asked for chocolates before
मुझे तो हंसी
periods.
आती है बिकॉज सब देते हैं तो मेरे को अब देना पड़ता है कि हाँ मतलब अश्विका शुड फील दैट मम्मी बिल्कुल वैसी नहीं है दैट यू विल नॉट गिव दैट मम्मा से शी ओनली सेज दैट मम्मा मेरे को ऐसा मन नहीं है बट आप दे रहे हो तो इट्स ओके तो देन आई से नहीं बेटा मतलब बिकॉज यू से सो मच दैट योर फ्रेंड्स मदर गिव एंड यू डोंट गिव तो आई फील वो मेरे लिए भी एक प्रेशर हो जाता है दैट आई गिव इट आउट ऑफ कि हाँ नहीं
हाँ.
शी शुड नॉट फील दैट मम्मा बिल्कुल
Do you know why your body is asking for chocolates during
वाई
periods? And why you opt for
and
chocolate? Your body needs
okay
magnesium here.
okay so that means
Okay.
what is
And cacao is very dense in
hmm.
magnesium. So, as a mother, to every mother out, I would say if you're giving a chocolate also to
Hmm.
your daughter, please get a good
Wow.
cacao chocolate like
Hmm.
Whole Truth hai. And there is a brands, Bean to Bag brands
Hmm.
जो है बहुत सारी brand Bean to Bag brands है, and build your daughter taste buds like having a 60-70
Yes,
plus
that's true.
percentile
That's
of
true.
chocolates and with good berries and good
Wow.
nuts in it. Again, you will be giving a good
Hmm.
nutrition to your body. It's all about swapping out a
Yeah.
righter way out. So chocolates dena hai to don't go for a
Hmm.
dairy milk. Opt for a good bean to bar chocolates. Opt for good cacao beans and alkaline beans that I would say, and not a generic chocolate. वहाँ पे आप nutrition नहीं build कर रहे हो, and then we are moving more toward blood sugar rise and all the insulin spikes in the body, and
This
that's
is
what we are
very
building.
insightful.
वो एक खा के फिर
Hmm.
और 3 हो
This is very insightful because this is something which we were really looking for. Because अगर बच्चे मतलब अगर parents दे भी रहे हैं, that's okay. I mean, I think that is fine. Like this Kavita said, but yes, it's important for you to understand how to give and which one to give. So I'm glad you recommended that. That's like something which we have not.
I can recommend one very
Sure.
good brand. They are doing a wonderful chocolates, and I can that is Ras
Okay.
chocolate, and they are using desi khand in it and just a cacao beans. So that is a very
Okay.
nutrition dense. Just slowly move your child to 60-70 percentage of chocolate. Don't give her the sweeter version. So it will automatically working on the magnesium
Wow.
needs for your body, and that's the reason your body is craving for
Okay.
chocolates at the start, just pre-periods
Absolutely,
phase.
absolutely
So
fair. So which also I'm very curious to know what are some red flags like physical or emotional that parents should not ignore at this phase?
if we start as a early
Hmm.
puberty symptom, that is a very
Yeah.
important flag when we talk about symptoms like the early
Hmm.
puberty signs. There was one female who was very concerned, like hair growth आना शुरू हो गया 6-7 years पे. That's the time you should immediately consult
Okay.
the doctor. When you see the sign of bust going up, breast size going bigger, around 6-7 as a thing, then you should immediately consult the doctor and talk why it is, get her test done. First and foremost, I would say get a vitamin
Okay.
D test done. वहां से उसे बैलेंस करना शुरू करो, न्यूट्रिशन पे सीड साइकिलिंग पे लाना
Hmm.
शुरू करो. दैट इज वन थिंग. Again, if you feel lots of acne coming on your
Okay.
face, and if you start seeing your kids as a lots of mood swing nowadays, very small kid mother come, there was one case study that a female came to me and talked with me like my daughter is having OCD and I'm very worried, I need a psychiatrist for my daughter, please refer to it. My first point was please आप vitamin D check
Hmm.
कराओ, उसको nutrition सही देना शुरू करो, and then slowly if it is still needed, I'm not saying कि
Yeah.
okay don't go, but start right way. आप अभी से उसे psychiatrist के सामने ला दोगे and वो जाना भी नहीं
Hmm.
चाहेगी. Very small. I think she was 10-12 years old, not a bigger child, and she was very worried about her OCD symptoms and thing. Only thing is that is the red flag. You
Hmm.
should go. You should consult a doctor. Get the
Yeah.
test done. Just don't consult a doctor and start with the
Yeah.
medications. Get the test done at the face. Lots of acne if it is coming up on your face. Especially this is the point where your hormonal acne shows up. This is a chin area. So हाँ यहाँ पे acne आया है. Any females, any age group, any female यहाँ पे आपने acne देखा है, that means it's something hormonal disbalance is there in your body.
Hmm.
So that's how you have to work on. These are the symptoms, these are the
Hmm.
pointers that we need. Any aggressiveness, that your child was very quiet, very thing, but any very aggressive behavior it comes up, it's a sign of
Wow.
red flag that you need
Wow.
to take.
That's lovely. I mean, this is the kind of like this is something which we parents miss out because हम acne तो देखते हैं. Who will notice कि हाँ इस area में ही देखना है? Who will notice कि aggressive हो रहा है? हाँ teenager तो aggressive होते हैं. तो we have a habit of ignoring our own symptoms. So
Even even one pointer I missed out here is eating disorders. If your body shows
like
like your body is suddenly your body has started very less eating due to anything.
oh,
It's
okay.
not due to anything. It can be also a symptom of hormonal disbalance and a red flag that your body you should
Wow.
consult a doctor. Consult a doctor, go in a deeper study,
Hmm.
just don't ignore. See, one thing I have seen in females, like I will point it on the earlier, further age group, like females usually develop BP or thyroid or even
Hmm.
insulins. The females usually develop when they are reaching
Oh, okay.
perimenopausal.
Yes.
Okay, the BP spikes and BP
Yeah.
up and down is also a reason, like your body joint pains. Okay, if I point, there are 400 plus bodily function that your estrogen dominates and work estrogen
Hmm.
helps you there. So ये सारे symptoms body में तभी होंगे जब hormones
Oh.
disbalance होगा. Even for the child phase, I would tell every parents, please look into the study. Just don't say कि यार मेरे बच्चे को एक्ने हो गया, मैं क्रीम ऊपर लगा दूं. No, it won't
Hmm.
work. मेरे बच्चे का हेयर फॉल हो रहा है बहुत सारा, ऑयल ला दूं, डॉक्टर के पास जाऊं, ऊपर से मेडिसिन दे दूं. Only medicines won't
Hmm.
work. Medicine will stop it for a moment, but you need to go deep the nutrition and all
Root
the five pillars,
cause. Hmm.
root causes. So sleep, 8 to 10 hours of sleep is much needed. And sleep 10 बजे के बाद अगर आपका बच्चा सो रहा है, you are missing on the detoxing parameters, the growth parameters of a child
Yeah,
at
that is
that
true.
specifically.
Hmm.
After 9 8वीं 9वीं के बाद तो बच्चे को पढ़ना है, जगेगा. You are not able to still educate your child. That
Yeah,
time is for sleep. That time is to replenish your body with the right growth, right detoxing. So sleep, that
absolutely.
matters. Stress is okay in a point, but if it is a bigger stress, find
Hmm.
out a way to release out the stress. There are
Got
lots of activity. Please, as a parents, make sure your kids are. आज की डेट में पेरेंट्स बहुत एक्टिविटी में डाल देते हैं, but
Hmm.
find out one way that your child like and let her do that as a
Wow.
relaxing activity to de-stress her.
Absolutely.
इट्स
Hmm.
नॉट जस्ट अबाउट कि यार मेरे बच्चे को डांस में बिल्कुल परफॉर्म करना अच्छा है इसीलिए डांस जा रहा है, या मेरे बच्चे को स्पोर्ट्स में एक्सेल करना है इसलिए. ऑब्वियसली एवरी चाइल्ड इज डिफरेंट, बट
Yeah.
might be your kid just go to a dance to detox and relax herself.
Ah,
That's a
that's true.
de-stressing activity. That's not a activity to just uh, build her on a platform to perform on stage. Don't look
Correct.
only
Correct.
always at
Absolutely.
that way. Look
Hmm.
it as a de-stressor for your body, kids to
Yeah.
let release out it. So जो भी
Correct.
आपकी बच्चे के लिए जरूरी है या सही है, एक de-stressor activity start building from a smaller age for your child.
Wow.
Give
Hmm.
her a good sleep thing.
Hmm.
Movement, again movement, please. Any movement is okay.
Yeah.
any,
Yeah.
any movement is okay. Even a rebonding like trampoline at homes nowadays is a
Hmm.
wonderful way to detox and do a
Yeah.
movement.
Hmm.
I remember my bhabhi's daughter, like my niece, is into so much of activities, so much of movements. She, whenever I go her with her, she take me to a trampoline. Mas ma bua chalo, we will jump it and we will do it. Please
हाँ.
give that freedom to your child. Anything it will like कुछ भी
Hmm.
है वो freedom जरूरी है,
Correct.
movement जरूरी है. Any
Absolutely.
form of movement, it can be anything.
Hmm.
That's one way to detox and clear the toxins from your body and let your hormones. One pointer, let me go to a chakras perspective here.
Yeah.
So your hormones are estrogen, progesterone are related with your ovaries, and
Hmm.
ovaries are your sacral chakra, just
Okay.
below your navel. Okay,
Hmm.
and sacral chakra is all about movement and fluidity in your body. अब
Hmm.
फ्लूइडिटी को मेंटेन करने के लिए आप क्या करोगे? फ्लो है बॉडी का, गुड
Yeah.
फैट्स आ रहा है, अपनी न्यूट्रिशन उसको गुड फैट्स चाहिए. सेक्रल चक्र गुड फैट्स से होता है, उनका उसका न्यूट्रिशन पॉइंट है आपने बॉडी को गुड फैट्स दिए एंड
Hmm.
आपने बॉडी को मूवमेंट दिया. जब आप फ्लो कर रहे हो बॉडी का, सो आपके बॉडी के फ्लूइड्स, योर वाटर, योर ब्लड flows out. It releases all the, it moves. So that's where your
Hmm.
sacral chakra Twara, your energy center works, that works on your hormonal level, and that's how your body is balanced out. So that's where the movement, deeper science into movement, energy science I will take is a movement that is.
Yes, yes, absolutely. Wow, wow. That's so beautiful. I think you have a very good knowledge about what you're doing. I think that is why uh, you're doing it with so much of passion. So I want to tell all of you over here. So we were discussing about Twara because obviously that's her baby, and we wanted to talk about Twara superfood. But she was very particular about saying that we do not want to promote Twara, and we want to do it so that people are aware about seed cycling, people are aware of about nutrition, and that's so beautiful. I mean, I think anybody who's creating a brand, they will think about कि हाँ मेरा product sell हो जाए, लोगों को पता हो नहीं हो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. But I think she was the one who said that no, I'm not interested in promoting my product. I am ready to tell you what all ingredients are needed for seed cycling, but I'm not ready that we just randomly start telling people to buy it and we don't people make people aware. So I think that is what tells about you as a founder, as a person with authority, at the same time a person who knows that what she's doing is absolutely correct. And I want to really really congratulate you for that, because
Thank you.
very less people can do that, Kavita. But I think I'm
I
glad.
just want, as a, I have taken up it as a mission, keep periods are pain free, periods are no pain, pains are not normal. That is my mission. And seed cycling can be done at home.
Yeah.
It's a very age old thing. It's not, and Twara is just a easy way out. अगर आपके पास नहीं है time, that's why I created Twara. अगर आपके पास time है seed cycling, ping me anytime, drop me a message as a as a knowledge जितनी मेरे पास है, I will definitely share with you. I just want everyone, as a parent, please do
Mm,
seed cycling. As a female, follow seed cycling. Work
absolutely.
on your nutrition, work on your nourishment for your hormone. It's not about balancing, it's all about
Yeah.
nourishment. अगर आप right nourishment ले रहे हो तो आपका balance अपने आप सही रहेगा.
Absolutely, absolutely. I agree with that so much because वो बहुत जरूरी है. And by the way, I want to show everyone also. I got my Twara box. So I know Karvita won't like it, but I still wanted to show everybody because the point was not that I bought it for the heck of it, but I wanted to know what exactly Kavita is doing. So I got two boxes. One says support day from 1 to 14, like what she explained, that that you need to have that balance between two things. One needs to be 1 to 14 and second needs to be 14 to 30. So I'm sorted with both. And so what over here is important is देखो खुद कर सकते हो तो उससे अच्छा कुछ नहीं है. That is what I think Kavita wants to say all of us, that if you are ready to do it, please do it. But if you're not ready to do it or you don't have time, don't leave it hanging कि यार बाद में कर लेंगे, because it's important. या तो आप ले लो या तो खुद कर लो. मतलब
See,
there are only two things, because
yeah,
the main important thing is the child
लेना
should be
है.
okay, you should be okay.
Yeah,
The
as
main
a
important.
female, nourishment is okay.
Correct.
So
Like your child
every
should get it. कैसे भी मिले, मतलब वो खरीद के मिले या खुद बना के मिले, जो भी मिले मतलब दो वो. मतलब the main aim of us doing this life was very very clear, that we wanted to talk about seed cycling, wanted to talk about seeds, we wanted to talk about nutrition in a manner where you all can understand. मतलब I think Kavita has simplified it beautifully for us. I don't think more simplified she could do, but she's the kind of a person, if you ask her exactly what ingredients she has used in Twara, I don't think she has a problem with that, because she
Swati,
gave me the list.
I would just say, just twist, turn the packet behind. If you
Yeah.
can check the box पीछे की तरफ, it has all the ingredients. नहीं, box,
Oh,
the
box.
box.
Oh, sorry,
Okay.
sorry.
Just the back side of the box is a story. It's all the
Ah,
ingredients and what it is doing to your body has been mentioned there. Even our Twara's page, we have pinned. Yeah,
oh,
every
lovely.
ingredient.
I have not even seen this. Oh, guys, you have to see this because I think I missed it.
So my simple point is कि seed cycling करो, जो भी nourishment इसमें है. I have pointed and I've kept it on my Twara Insta page as a pin point कि जो भी ingredients हैं वो what benefit it is given to a female body. There are 20 plus ingredients in Twara, and every ingredient has a specific nourishment for
Yeah,
your body, for your chakras.
yeah,
It's very
yeah.
deeply given out कि वो
Hmm.
सारी चीजें आपकी as a female body को चाहिए. एंड
Right.
नथिंग, बिलीव मी, आप सप्लीमेंट्स पे जा सकते हो, आप किसी पे भी जा
हाँ.
सकते हो, बट नथिंग that is bioavailable is better for your body. जो
Right.
bioavailable चीज है जो मदर अर्थ ने आपको दी है, that's the easiest digestible thing for your body. ये सारी चीजें written down है, nothing else has been added in Tara. If you
Wow.
can do it yourself, add all these 20 ingredients in your nourishment, and you won't need any supplements beside D3 B12.
Wow.
D3 B12 के अलावा आपको कुछ नहीं चाहिएगा अगर आपने सारा न्यूट्रिशन ये सारे चीजें ले लिए. You can check the Twara page. Twara Insta page पे first 3 post is about seed cycling and about the ingredients and what the each ingredients is given to your body.
Wow.
Even from the nutritional yeast, from dates powder, even from hemp seeds, what it is going and giving to a female body is written on that. And I have made it very simplified कि ये चीजें आपकी body को चाहिए. Have it yourself, or if it is not possible, then source it out. That's the way out.
Wow, wow, that's beautiful. That's amazing, Kavita. Thank you for sharing that, and thank you for sharing it with me. Even I had not seen it. I saw the ingredients certainly because I was very curious about. So I saw moringa, I saw orange peel, and all that. I was very excited. I was like, "Oh, nice! This is interesting." So I saw hemp seeds because I don't use hemp seeds. I don't use, orange peel. I don't use.
So when I was making Swati, I was making Twara. So my purpose, as I mentioned, I'm mother of 2 daughters. One is 21, she's studying in Singapore, and one is 17 years old. So मेरा बहुत simple person था. मेरे को पता है मेरे बच्चे इतनी मेहनत नहीं करने वाले. ये सब चीजें खुद नहीं खाने वाले. I wanted her one scoop, and they are sorted with the nourishment, and they are not rushing to all the supplements, all the this that thing. So that was the very simple objective. When I started Twara, I will just give you a brief story for Twara. Twara also means Twara is a scientific, Sanskrit name that means flow. Again, linked to a sacral chakra in your body. And जब आपकी body को flow करना है, body को nourish करना है, so मेरे को एक बहुत simple way चाहिए था जो मेरे बच्चा उठा के खा सके. And I have seen tremendous changes in my younger one once she has started with Twara. I've seen lots and lots of changes with my knowns जिनके daughters Twara ले रही हैं. And ये सारा nourishment जा रहा है. It's very simple. Have it. Keep it in your kitchen. It's just from my kitchen to your house. That is what Twara is all about. All the ingredients, as you say, मैंने box पे दिखा हुआ है, मैंने Insta पे लिखा हुआ है, website पे भी वो सारे ingredients mentioned है, उनका क्या benefits है mentioned है, how it is helping a female body, it's mentioned there. You just need to list it down, source it yourself, have it, no issues. बस कर लो, that is what is needed.
Correct. हाँ, मतलब कर लो, मतलब चाहे कैसे भी करो, देख के कर लो, कॉपी कर लेके कर लो, but just do it for your child, and because it's not important for us, it's important for your child. So don't think that we have any, anything about it. This is just an awareness program, which is something we want you guys to be aware of. Because see, it's very hard for each and every. I'm a parenting coach, but still the things which Kavita mentioned, there's so many nutrition things which I'm not aware. I'm not a nutritionist. I do not expect that I could have known this, or I do not expect that, I should know everything. So everybody has their own skill set which they are good at. I think you are very good in what you're doing. So I want to rely on your sources, and I want to think that yes, she's done her own research from last 10 years she's doing. So yeah, she's done something for sure.
It's a very simple thing from my kitchen to yours, and it should be a part of every kitchen. Treat your kitchen as your pharmacy, and you will feel the balance. You will feel the logic behind it. You won't rush on the balancing. यार मेरे को balance करना है. You will be nourished throughout.
Wow. So this is about our knowledge. Now I want to finish this session with a simple naughty rapid fire. Are you ready? I mean, it's on, I would say on nutrition only, but we wanted to see your honest take to each and every silly question I ask. I would say. Yeah. So one snack you swear by for teen health. One snack.
Fruits.
Okay. First puberty related question which stopped you.
Pains.
Okay.
Why am I having pains?
Okay. Seeds or smoothies? Which one would you pick?
Smoothies with seeds.
Lovely. I do expect,
but not with milk and curd. Please don't add milk and curd in your smoothies. Smoothies are very good way to add the leafy greens in it. So leafy
Okay.
greens, seeds, and banana as a base for the smoothie.
Wow.
You can DM me. I will share the pure smoothies recipe with you, and you
Lovely.
can add the seeds in that, and you can share it with your
Lovely. So
community.
guys, whoever wants the smoothie recipe, write smoothie in comments. Kavita
I
will answer
I
it.
do a smoothie challenge every year from March 1st to
Wow.
March 21 to build a smoothie habit, and it's an open challenge. So I will share the link. Anybody wants to join can
See,
join.
that would be great. In fact, I can join. So
Yeah, every March I do it. March 1st to March 21st is a smoothie days for me, and every year
lovely,
it happens with me.
lovely, lovely. So, what is your favorite go-to comfort food?
Dal chawal.
Oh, lovely. Teen habit you wish you could break forever.
Looking too much on mobile and not nourishing nicely.
Okay,
Missing on the nourishment.
got it. One word to describe puberty.
Look into nourishment.
Okay.
It's a bliss moment for a girl. It's a moment that one word is a very tough thing to say. It's a
Yeah.
moment your daughter is
Mm,
rebuilding and reforming into a newer version, a woman version. So
yeah.
nourish her nicely with words, with nutrition, with comfort, with movement, and she will be a wonderful. Don't worry
Mhm.
about it. Don't get stressed about it.
Okay. So, book every parent should read.
For hygiene, Mensuropedia. For hormones, there are many books a parent should read. As a parent, Mensuropedia is a very good book. Every parent should read. For it's for boys and girls both, and it should
Yeah.
be a part of everybody home. I would say, as a hygiene part. For nourishment, there are many books. I have to list it down for it. So,
Sure. A moment that made you laugh during a workshop.
a moment that made me laugh during the workshop.
Like many
That
anything
was
silly which people asked and you were like, who asks this? Like anything. You were
if somebody come and say, see, I'm just not recalling it at a moment, but I am thinking like there was a moment when I laughed a lot, and at a moment मेरे को नहीं click हो रहा है. So
ah,
I would say it's not clicking up immediately. um, just a second. It's a moment I laughed a moment. Okay, when somebody come and told me कि seeds तो हम खाते ही हैं, उससे
ah,
हमें क्या फर्क पड़ेगा. मैंने
ah,
बोला सही तरीके से खाओ देन फर्क आएगा. So it's all
ah.
about eating right. So
Eating it right, correct. Because people who do not have knowledge, I also feel the same thing. Like before talking to you, I
okay,
realized that
one moment just clicked me up. Sorry,
Hmm.
it just did. So I was interviewing and it's not a workshop. It was a general interview in a garden from
Yeah.
a couple who was exercising. So I asked a female, "आपको periods का पता क्रैम्प होता है, पेन होता है?" And the answer the husband gave, मेरे को पता है. उसको इतना गुस्सा आता है, उसको इतने मूड स्विंग होते हैं, and I know कि उसके periods आने वाले हैं.
हाँ, but that is true also. मतलब जो लोग पेन में हैं वो पेन में है, उनके हस्बैंड है सब कर रहे हैं.
And the female was saying, "नहीं मेरे को सब normal है. It's everything is normal. I don't feel it." So that was one difference.
Ask me.
Ask me. And he
Absolutely.
just pointed. वो
हाँ,
टाइम तुम्हें आता था, वो टाइम तुम बहुत गुस्सा होती हो. And she was like
हाँ.
no. So I was like literally laughing out कि this is the difference
Wow.
out there.
Wow.
So,
So, this is the last question, by the way. So, Kavita, if you were not founder of Twara or, were not a nutritionist, what is the thing you would have been if not this?
if not this, I can't think anything. But I have traveled a journey from a diamond grader, a jewelry into a jewelry business, from MBA to a jewelry business to a DIA diamond
Wow.
grader to this, but nothing now. It's all about nutrition. It's all about fitness. It's all about female health for me, and I
Yeah.
can't think of anything. It's a passion for me now.
Wow, that's lovely. I loved every bit of it. Most of
Same
the
here.
answers I was aware what you were going to say, but it was fun to have that rapid fire with you.
Yeah, same here. It
Because
was.
I think
It
your
was. I
simplicity
have to
was
recall my memory also, ki where I should point it out, and it was
no,
great.
because it's your simplicity which makes it even more fun. Because see, it's very easy to sugarcoat, and that's why I keep this rapid fire open for everyone, and I do not share the questions or anything. So our conversation was more like candid because our questions weren't shared. It just came out of out of it. Our so then it is more to know about what is there inside, because we all need to know how candid we can become.
Definitely. It's
Yeah.
all about daily life. It's not about anything, very
Yeah,
thing that we have to quote or I have to tell. It's
correct.
about daily life. And that's what connected me to you, Swati. And my
Yeah.
first conversation was to you when we interacted. It was so nice. Like I liked and I wanted to connect and have this talk with you.
Yeah, yeah,
And
that is
thank
so
you for
true.
calling me. It was
Oh, it was my
really
pleasure. I had a lovely conversation, one, and secondly, I had so much of knowledge. अब मेरे को लग रहा है अब मैं पूरा न्यूट्रिशन का अपने बच्चों पे I'm going to use every knowledge of mine in the nutrition
yeah.
section for both
बहुत
my kids.
बहुत बेसिक नॉलेज है जस्ट अ बेसिक बस करने की जरूरत है करो
Right,
सो
right.
that's it
So now we have one or two questions if you don't mind answering.
sure
Yeah. So first question is from Payal. So Payal is asking that my child is 8 year old, although she's not showing any symptoms of puberty or anything. Do you think I should start with her seed cycling or just give her seeds?
as I mentioned if there is no symptoms of seeds as a puberty symptoms are not started mix all
Hmm.
the four seeds but make sure if you're giving at home you definitely can soak them dry
Hmm.
roast it on a lighter flame not
Same.
a heavy flame to keep the nutrition intact powder
Hmm.
it and add it in any way it can be you can add it in her veggies and dal one thing always avoid mix heating it up too much after powdering it. Once you have powdered
Oh.
your seeds, yeah,
Hmm.
don't heat it up कि मैंने दाल में बना के पका रही हूँ दाल. Don't do that.
Oh,
Use
अच्छा
it
अच्छा.
as a
Oh,
nourishing ऊपर से and that thing. क्योंकि जितना
hmm.
अपन उसे पकाएंगे उतना उसका nutrient level कम होता जाएगा. So
Got
once that
it.
is roasted on a lighter flame, you had powdered it. Use it as a
Hmm.
garnishing thing like we use for things like that. That's what.
Perfect, perfect, perfect. And this question, this is not relevant for us for this session per se, but I want to answer that because Namita has been pestering. This is the sixth message she's written. So thank you, Namita, for being so patient. So, ma'am, मेरा 20 months का बेटा है, वो खाना ही नहीं चाहता है, but मैं बहुत परेशान हूँ क्योंकि उसकी इंटरेस्ट लाऊं कैसे खाने में मैं बहुत ज्यादा परेशान हूँ सो कविता वुड यू लाइक टू आंसर इफ यू वांट टू
First and foremost, like you will be answering it more better than me, but I can just
या
point out
दैट्स
if
व्हाट
your
आई
बच्चा
वाज जस्ट
खाना ही नहीं
आस्किंग
चाह रहा है, वो हाँ, वो कुछ खाना ज़रूर चाह रहा होगा और आप एज़ अ मदर वो चीज़ नहीं देना चाह रही होगी. That can be one point here. Look into it, what his body is asking for. 20 months
या
baby है, उसका nourishment उसके level पे होगा. Don't go for any outside food. It might be just a fruit he is asking for. It can be just bananas he might be asking for. प्लीज गिव दैट डोंट थिंक कि यार मेरे को ये वो उतना ही खाएगा बिलीव मी एज अ पेरेंट वी हैव दिस पैरानाइड यार ये तो यही खा रहा है ये ज्यादा खा लेगा तो क्या होगा बिलीव मी उसकी बॉडी much better state much nutrition much in a stage when he is listening to his body like
या
rather than a growing up people so वो जो चाह रहा है वो दीजिए and see what it is like it can be I'm not more into detail but if it can be just he is asking for this thing let वो body ask कर रही इसीलिए वो खा रहा है that is the perspective you should listen from the child's perspective more Swati can guide it better as a
श्योर श्योर थैंक यू सो मच कविता आई वुड जस्ट लाइक टू एड अप सो नमिता पहली बात आपको घबराना नहीं है 20 महीने का बच्चा है हमें लगता है वो हम हमारी तरह खाएगा तो वो नहीं खाएगा अगर वो थोड़ा सा भी खा रहा है तो परफेक्टली ऑल राइट है दूसरी बात आप थोड़ी देर उसको भूखा रख के देखो हम काफी बार होता है कि हम ओवरफीड करते हैं ओवरफीड होने से क्या होता है बच्चा परेशान हो जाता है उसको लगता है कि जबरदस्ती हो रही है और वो जानबूझ के मुंह हटाता है उसको 6 घंटे भूखे रहने दो कोई बात नहीं है उसको खुद मांगने दो उसको लव करवाओ खाने से उसको जबरदस्ती करने की जरूरत नहीं है देखो कुदरत ने हमें बनाया है वो खाना भी सिखाता है कोई बच्चा भूखा नहीं रहता इट इज अ नेचुरल टेंडेंसी कि कोई बच्चा भूखा नहीं रहता भूखे रहने दो अगर भूखा रखोगे तब उसको अहमियत होगी खाने की हमें आदत होती है कि हम देते हैं ज्यादा अब आप ये छोटी सी चीज देखो हम क्या करते हैं दाल चावल रोटी सब्जी सब कुछ उठा के हम दे देते हैं और हम सोचते हैं सब कुछ बच्चा थोड़ा थोड़ा तो खा ही लेगा फिर हम गुस्सा होते हैं कि अरे तूने छोड़ दिया तूने सिर्फ 4 ही बाइट खाई पहली बात पोर्शन साइज बिल्कुल कम करिए वो 20 महीने का बच्चा है तो समझ लीजिए 5 से 6 बाइट से ज्यादा वो नहीं खाएगा तो उसी समझ लीजिए 6 चम्मच आपने खिचड़ी का दिया मैं एग्जाम्पल दे रही हूँ ठीक है तो 6 चम्मच में अगर वो 3 चम्मच भी खाता है तो कोई बात नहीं क्योंकि बाद में अगर 5 घंटे बाद उसको भूख लगता है तो वो खाएगा, पहली बात। दूसरी बात, आप ये सोचो आप कितनी बार उसको दूध दे रहे हो। अगर आप उसको दूध ज़्यादा पिला रहे हो, उसकी वजह से भी भूख कम हो जाता है, तो दूध का क्वांटिटी आप कम करिए सो दैट आप उसको खाना खिला सकें। दूसरी बात। तीसरी बात, बाहर का खाना, जिस तरह कविता जी ने बोला, बाहर का खाना बिल्कुल ही नहीं देना है, बिल्कुल भी नहीं। 20 महीने के बच्चे को कोई जरूरत नहीं है आपको बाहर का खाना देने की। चॉकलेट, बिस्किट बिल्कुल नहीं देना है। बिस्किट्स और चॉकलेट सिर्फ स्टिमुलेट करती है बॉडी को, सिर्फ ट्रांस फैट बढ़ाती है और उसकी वजह से बच्चे का भूख मरता है। तो वो गलती मत करिए। अगर आपको लग रहा है चल कोई बात नहीं, ये तो खा लेगा ना, चल ये दे देते हैं, तो वो चक्रव्यूह में मत फंसिएगा आप, ठीक है। तो अगर वो चक्रव्यूह में फंस जाओगे तो आपको प्रॉब्लम होगा, ठीक है। या
स्वाति, आई लाइक द बेस्ट पार्ट यू सेड कि 6 घंटा टाइम दीजिए।
हाँ
एज अ
हाँ
पेरेंट वी जस्ट कीप फीडिंग कि नहीं खा रहा
हाँ
है, नहीं खाना।
हाँ
भूख
हाँ,
का टाइम 3 से 4 घंटा डाइजेशन लगता है और उसकी बॉडी
बिल्कुल।
समझ रही है ये चीज, एंड वो
हाँ,
समझने की
हाँ,
जरूरत है।
हाँ। और कुछ बच्चे ना मतलब जनरली परेशान भी हो जाते हैं कविता की, अरे फिर से खाना आ गया नहीं तो उनको मतलब नफरत हो गई है चीजों, कभी कभी नफरत हो जाती है हमें चीजों से। तो कभी
बिकॉज
कभी
वी
हमें वो
ओवर
भी ओवरफीड या फिर हम ओवरडू करते हैं। मतलब उनका कंसर्न सही है, हो सकता है उनका पहला बेबी है, एंड आई कंप्लीटली रिस्पेक्ट दैट नमिता। बट कितनी बार होते हैं ना, हम सब कुछ फोर्स नहीं कर सकते। फोर्स करोगे तो उल्टी कर देगा बच्चा, फिर वो जो गया है वो नहीं जाएगा, रोएगा, वैसे शरीर नहीं बढ़ेगा। तो आप बिल्कुल टेंशन मत करो। 20 महीने का बच्चा है और फिर भी आपको लगता है तो आप मेरे को एक मैसेज ड्रॉप करना, मैं आपको और टिप्स दे दूंगी जिससे वो हेल्प करेगा, ठीक है। थैंक यू नमिता, थैंक यू। चलो मुझे अच्छा लगा आपका ओके देख के। ऑल राइट, सो इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस गाइस प्लीज फील फ्री टू आस्क मी। हाय मुदित, इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस प्लीज पुट। And thank you so much Kavita, we had such a
थैंक
such a
यू।
powerful, eye opening and amazing conversation, simple yet impactful, I would say.
Yeah. So kitchen is simple, be simple and just follow the nourishment that is needed. It's
Absolutely,
a yeah.
absolutely. Lovely.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So if you're a parent, guardian, even teen, even if you are a teenager or a teen parent, whoever is watching here, I hope today's episode gave you loads of tools, language, confidence to approach puberty with more clarity and compassion. Remember, guys, nutrition is above all. Nutrition, sleep, lifestyle, physical fitness, no stress, bate, talk to your teenager. All these four things are something which you have to do. It's non-negotiable. Nutrition is non-negotiable. Sleep is non-negotiable. Your child's fitness or any one physical activity non-negotiable, and your daily talk with your teen. आप ये चार चीज करोगे, you will have an amazing teen and you'll not have a problem. But
Definitely.
be open to it. Yeah.
Definitely. Thank you, Swati. And
Thank you
it was
so
wonderful.
much. And if you all love this episode, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and drop your takeaways. What you felt was the biggest takeaway, and we would love hearing from you. And also, I want to add, Kavita said, she does this smoothie challenge. So if you want to participate in that challenge, please feel free to message Kavita. I'm going to add Kavita as a collaborator. And Kavita, if you don't mind, can I add Twara also as a collaborator?
Yeah, please do add Twara. Any hormonal related question, anything as a puberty, teenage, or anything as a female, as a personally you as a female as a hormone related question, please drop in me on a Twara,
Uh,
and I will be answering you to all the questions if you have. But
Perfect.
do
Lovely.
seed cycling. It's very easy, very simple.
Yeah.
DIY seed cycling. I've mentioned it here. It's on my Insta page. It's on my website also. Do it for yourself. Give yourself 3 months of seed cycling. Any age female you are, give
Wow.
seed cycling 3 months and
Mm.
then let me know. I will wait for the revert what you say about that.
Wow.
No
That's lovely.
cravings, no mood swings. Your husband will be happy, I would say.
Lovely, lovely, lovely. Thank you so much, Kavita. Thank you once again. Thank you, all of you. Have a great good night. We have a lovely long session, but I'm glad you stayed till here. That means it was meaningful. So until next time, next Wednesday, we'll meet at the same time, same place on Wisdom Waves Wednesday. Stay curious, stay kind, and ride the waves of wisdom. Take care. Happy parenting.
Good night.
Good night.